What is going on, YouTube? Xadamleex, and I am stuck going 8 miles per hour on the highway, and as you guys can tell, it's because there's a giant snowstorm, and I'm in my 350z, so I'm not too sure. Maybe somebody got in a crash up here, that's why we're stuck right there, going so slow. I'm literally not even giving it gas. This is just like in drive, so yeah, you can see getting pretty bad. The only thing that I'm worried about is when I get into my subdivision, if I'll be able to even get into my driveway, because the highway's not too bad, but that's because everybody drives on it. But when I'm in my subdivision, that's gonna suck, because I'm sliding and I'm going 8 miles per hour. But yeah, in my subdivision, I don't know if it's gonna be plowed, and I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to even make it up my driveway. I might just be stuck right in front of my place, so it's gonna suck. Okay, this guy's signaling left, so I guess I'll get into that lane too. So maybe there was a crash up there or something. I don't know. And there's some girl behind me that's like sort of in a rush. Oh, it's a cop. Let's see. So somebody got pulled over. Oh no, not pulled over. I don't know why I said pulled over. Somebody got in an accident. That. I don't know if you guys really got a good look at that. Oh god, I'm sliding. Okay, now she's gonna pass me in the right. Dumb bitch, dumb bitch. She's fat. Okay, there's cops coming out, so I'm gonna put my phone down. See you guys.